Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have taken orange, white and green color woolen thread to make tricolor bangles for Republic Day. I have also used old bangles. Now take two of them and stick them together as shown. Allow this to dry for a few minutes so that it is easy to wrap the wool around the bangle. I have taken 1.5 meter long wool. Cover the bangle as shown. In the same way, cover the entire bangle. And our orange color bangle is now ready. In the same way I have made white and green color bangles. And finally our bangle set for Republic Day is now ready. I have also used my baby's bangle to make another tricolor bangle. So I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.